This is just a little update on what's going on with the 240. We have the RB. So stripped down. I'm waiting on parts and stuff for it. I'm not gonna start taking this apart just yet because I do not wanna. It runs and drive. I don't want to take that apart yet and have it sit without any motor in it. So I'm just gonna leave that like that, running and driving, until I can get this all good to go, ready to drop in. I know I'm thinking it's gonna be a drop in swap, but stuff always happens and I do not want to risk it. I don't want to lose another season like I did last season. I have all the other parts sitting right here to go with it. And as for this one, we do have everything welded in, all ready to go. We do got to make the headers for it, and we have the rear studs in for the neo wheels and tires. We got to find front studs because the ones that are in there is a little short, so we got to replace that. And yeah, wiring is kind of together for now. Power on, gas tank fits on, and we just gonna go from there. Once we make the exhaust, we will try to fire it up, see how it runs, and then start tackling the chain, getting the wiring all nice. But we still got to pin the frame and all of that, so I'm not going to worry about that for now. And yeah, that's about it. Little update on that. Hoping I get parts for this thing soon. Try to get it together. I ordered all the parts that I need for it, I think. Might be missing some bolts and stuff, but you can just go to the hardware store and try to find some. Hopefully it works out better. Gonna be a way better engine than the KA, even though the KA is reliable for now. And I don't want to go turbo, but this is the cheapest setup I could find, so gonna do that. And what else? Yeah, that's about it. We have the other quad sitting back here. This is just for like messing around. Probably gonna take it on trails and stuff. Get some trail riding in, more content for the channel. And we also have the go-kart. We just put it on E85. Gonna see a lot of videos on that. And this will also be going on trail riding and just messing around town. So that thing, my buddy still, I don't know. He's a fabricator and he haven't touched it since he made the crash memo for the engine. He still got to make engine mounts. It's a 4.8 stroker that's going into a Audi wagon. So he got a deadline on that. You got to get it done by May 1st, 2021. So if he doesn't get it done, Austin gets to drive it first. Same with everything here. He gets to drive this first if I don't get it done. Same with Austin Z. I got to drive it first if he don't get it done by May 1st. That's the update. You guys gonna be following along and we'll try to make it better for y'all. Okay, see ya. First start up, I got the water hose just in case we don't have fire extinguisher, so this will have to do. He's snappy.
Turn back on, mother father. God. I tell you, you're not.
I think she's done for y'all.
Give me the jack. Give me the jack.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Alright. Gonna try it again. It's cold. I think she's getting too much fuel.
Lost to a fucking Honda.
So, Austin is actually butthurt from losing to the Honda. And he's about to drill out the jet on the go-kart and put some E85 in it. I told him it's a bad idea, so if it blows up,
It's your fault.
it's all his fault.
Your fault.
What do you mean it's my fault?
You remember the talk we had when we were driving back from Colorado?
Dude, it was an hour-long conversation about this.
Yes. And you agreed.
And no, I was against it.
You said it was a perfect idea.
No, I didn't say that.
Dude, I hope this drill goes tight enough.
Man, the shop is dirty. We gotta clean up.